Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Outlook error 0x80040115. Let's fix it guys. The solution is to repair Outlook app and reset network with the CMD. To do this, go to search menu and type Outlook. Right click on it and select app settings. You just need to scroll down and select the repair option and select the reset option. After getting finished, you just need to close it off here and go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy and paste it one by one. After finishing these three commands, you just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.